In this episode, we'll explore the Colossyan Editor, your creative workspace for building professional videos. From adding scenes to fine-tuning text and visuals, we'll cover it all. We will start up top first. At the top menu at the center of it all, you'll find things like avatars, shape, text, media, screen record, and interaction. On the left of the top menu, you'll have the hamburger menu and the name of the draft. In there, you have a couple of stuff, such as resizing your video, saving your design as a template, or find help. On the right of the top menu, you'll have your language variants, which lets you translate your video within seconds. We will learn about that later in the series. You also have comments, preview, and the generate button. Moving on to the main areas of the editor. On the left here, you have your script box, which is not like your typical script box. Here, you can choose to assign an avatar to your script, or have it as a narration. You can assign different part of your script to different avatars. Also, if you have a narration-only audio file, don't worry, you can upload that also. If you think that you are stuck with your script, or if it needs a bit of help, you can use our AI assistant, which you can find on the bottom of the script box. There, you can also find your pauses, which you can add anywhere on the script. Also, place markers, which will help you animate elements on your canvas. Another thing that lives on the bottom of the script box is pronunciation, which, as you might guess, lets you add special pronunciation to words of your choice. You can also now resize the script box to make it bigger so you can focus more on your script. Down below you have the scenes. Here you can add a new scene, but before adding it, you have the options to select a scene from your saved scenes or select one from our templates. When you have more than one scene on your draft, a transition button will appear on the middle of them. That will let you put transitions of your linking between the scenes. You can also save your scene as a scene layout and use it on different drafts without needing to redesign it. Continuing to Canvas. On the canvas, you can design your draft, add shapes, text, logos, media, and interactive elements. You can right-click to lock elements or delete elements on the canvas. Also, you can right-click to order and align your elements. Let's see how you can add another avatar and assign a part of the script. On your right, you have your Properties panel, which, depending on what elements you select on the canvas, it will show you different settings for selected elements. For example, if you select an avatar, you can find stuff like appearance and view. You can replace your avatar, align it, etc. If you select a text, you can change the font, increase its size, position it, etc. Each element on the canvas has different settings, and all of these settings now live on the right side of the editor. You're getting the hang of it! Next, we'll focus on avatars and voices, the magic that gives your videos the human touch.